Today we are looking into a very handy and space-saving laptop stand. If you have ever found yourself drowning in a sea of gadgets on your desk, then this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore the details. First up, let's talk about the innovative dual slot design. This laptop stand can cradle not one but two laptops and even your phone or iPad all vertically at the same time. This is a game changer for those who want to optimize space and create a clean and organized desk setup. And assembly part is very easy. It won't take more than 5 minutes to set this up. And here is where the customization comes into play. This stand is adjustable for laptops with thickness ranging from 0.63 inches to 2.36 inches. A simple adjustment with the screw allows you to tighten it down to the correct size, ensuring a snug fit for your device. Versatility is the key. Its 4-in-1 design makes it convenient to place a variety of devices. Whether you have an iPad, iPhone, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, Microsoft Surface, gaming laptops, notebooks, or even books, this stand has got you covered. The quality matters. The vertical laptop dock is made from sturdy, heavy duty aluminum alloy, ensuring longevity and preventing your laptop from any unexpected tumbles. Plus, they stand by their product with free guarantee. So, if you are interested in this, do make sure you check it out. The link is in the description down below. So, this double adjustable vertical laptop stand is a sleek and practical solution for decluttering your workspace. With its dual slot design, adjustable size, wide compatibility, and protective stability, it's a must have for anyone looking to create an organized and efficient desk setup.